Welcome to Princess Roma's Adventures! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a building Venus. So how this is going to work is I actually have our planet right here. We've got lots of paints for coloring Venus. We've got water to dip our paintbrushes in. We've also got the core of Venus, which we're gonna put in the middle to look like a core. We have a lot of these, but we're gonna use them. We're only gonna use one. So let's flip to the page that has Venus. Venus is on page 12. Whoa guys, look, there's a whole page about Venus. Let's read spinning back on the Venus page. Venus spins in the opposite direction to all the other planets. It also spins very slow, taking 243 Earth days to spin around once. It completes one orbit in 225 Earth days, which means that one day Venus lasts longer than 1 year, than one Earth year. That's very weird. As you can see, we're going to be making the 4 steps of Venus. Here it only shows the crust, the iron core, and the rocky mantle, but I'm pretty sure there's 4 spaces. So we're going to write some Venus facts. Let's start. The diameter, which means how big it is 7,521 miles. Distance from the sun, 67 million miles. That's a lot. Day length is 240 Earth days, so technically one day on Venus is 243 days, but a year on Venus is 225 Earth days. Average surface temperature is 867 degrees Fahrenheit. The gravity, 0.9 compared to Earth, number of moons. Okay guys, let's start painting our Venus. First, of course, you need to unbox it. We have our painting tray. I think I'm gonna start off with the paint and say like putting on the paint. So it says light brown, but we couldn't find light brown in the store. We're gonna mix white with brown to make a light brown. So let's go in. I got some mixing brushes. This one is green or perfect. So I poured in my brown with white. I'm gonna mix it with the end of another paintbrush because, whoa, guys, just by that itself, guys, I don't know if you can see, but that looks so cool. It's like a marble effect. You know, I don't even know if it's gonna work. Oh wait, it's turning lighter, much lighter. So now we're gonna get on with gold. And guys, look, this is Roma's tray, paint tray. So, okay, I've got my gold. Just gonna spritz some. There's bubbles, there's paint bubbles. Let's pour in the red. I added a lot because the main surface of Venus is red. And we also got, oh my gosh. Looks so cool. Okay. So we've got all the paints done. Now we need to open this up and try not to break anything. Okay guys, so me and my dad just got masking tape and we put it around. So those red dots that we put with the paint, that's where we're gonna cut and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we finished cutting out our square, as you can see. Now we're gonna start coloring the outside reddish brownish. If we're using light brown with red, which is technically brown mixed with white, then red. But you can use just red or just brown, whatever you like. But we're gonna be doing red with light brown. So I'm gonna first just do the first layer of coating with this. Then I'm gonna, okay, this paint. Oh my gosh, that's actually good because Venus is a rocky planet and the texture looks really cool. Look at that texture, guys. Look at the texture. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a super. I'm just like, my arm is hurting from doing this motion. It's like, this looks so much like Mars, guys, but in real life, it's actually really orange. And then, to make it look more like Venus, I'm gonna add white and yellow stripes across so it looks great. Okay, guys, I have finally finished my blending. It's a little white spot, but it's okay. I'm just gonna, let me fill in that white spot, right? See? Get the, oh guys, I forgot the edges at the back. Okay guys, now I am done. Okay guys, so apparently, if I tried to do the yellow streaks of white and gold, it will just, apparently, mixed right in. So I'm gonna let this dry, but before I do, I'm gonna add glitter on the outside just to make it shimmerier. I'm just gonna add a sprinkle, I'm gonna use the small ones, just do a little sprinkle. It should stick because the paint is wet. Oh. Okay guys, I got my whole planet glitterized. It's all glitterified. And my arm is too. Woo! So what I did with my yellow paint, what I got is I only had the gold. So I used my gold. I dipped in some white to make it light, as you can see on my paintbrush. I also added glitter into it just to make it good. So let's just start like that. Is that right? So it normally looks like I'm supposed to be using something not this. This doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to use this paintbrush right here. Perfect. Now I can start. Let's dip it in with all the glitter and like beautiful. Guys, I think I'm gonna do like just randomly draw lines around to make it look cute, but at the same time, Venus. Oh, I have a book right here. So it looks like it's just lines all around. Yeah, so I'm just drawing lines around the parent. Like that. It's because of all the bumps, so it's hard to do it. Just go up here. Looking pretty. Oh, I just got way too much. Guys, the thing used to be filled, like, pretty much, and now it's all gone. Almost all gone, like. I need more paint. Great. Okay, got more paint. Mix. This is starting to actually look like Venus. Perfect, guys, look at that. Y'all. I got all my paint, no shame or sadness in my life. All the glitter is gone. Like all the glitter is just like, bye-bye. Glitter. Guys, do you like dogs? Because I love dogs. If dogs were $1, every room there would be like 5 dogs. We're gonna paint the inside. Oh, the inside is brown. Brown-rific. And you can never go anywhere without glitter. Chunky. We're gonna make this chunky face. Like attached. Just gonna do it. I'm not gonna do a whole bottle, that'd be terrible. That'd be way too much glitter. Actually, it might be nice. Do you know what the average temperature is, guys, on Venus? 867 degrees Fahrenheit is average temperature. So like, it'd be really hot. Do 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 do. I love science. The the outer space, the body, nutrients and nitrogen, lots of funny things. Nitrogen is what I meant to say. I love science every day. Don't you just love it when you learn new things, especially when they're your favorite subjects? Guys, what's your favorite thing to learn in science? Do you like learning about planets? Ooh, that's one of my favorites probably. Or maybe you like learning plants, the body, stuff like that. Ooh, weather. Ooh, weather. That's a good one. Astronauts. Science is awesome, don't you see it? Just go and look around with it. Why don't you just look around and see it? See it, oh. You've got to stand up strong. You've got to move along. But while it's drying, let's start on with the base. I kind of already started, as you can see. Guys, I must be a fast worker because look, that's the last bit, and then I'm moving on to the top. I'm not gonna paint the bottom because I don't think I need to paint the bottom. Ooh, glitter. I'm gonna add some glitter on the sides after I finish painting. After. Because guys, come on. You gotta have glitter in everything. Well, not everything, but most things. Glitter is amazing. Must have missed some spots down here. It's like so bad. Uh-oh. At the bottom, it needs more. I need more paint. These things are so hard to open. Oh, bad. Thank you. I'm just like, okay, guys, I'm just about finished, almost finished with my base. So we're gonna add in our dowel to keep our planet stuck to this. So like the dowel's gonna go in here, and then the dowel's gonna go through here. So then, yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Okay guys, we finally finished! This is the finished thing! We've got the outer of the Venus, we've got the rocky mantle of Venus, and the iron core of Venus. Guys, take a look at it, all the stripes with the colors mixed. We even got like little lights, because remember what I said earlier in the video, other than the sun and moon, Venus is the brightest thing in the sky. We also got like glitter like surrounding it, really cool. Kind of looks like stardust. And then we even got some on the sides to make it look like, some lights on the sides to make it look like stars. As you can see, so it looks super cool. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this awesome adventure. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. And remember guys, have faith, hope, and love. Bye!